Alright everyone, here we are with ticker symbol Wkhs, Workhorse Group Inc. And before I jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all my first time viewers and investors. Hope you guys find this video helpful and informative, and it means you well. To all my subscribers, I want to say thank you for your support and recognition to my efforts, and also the way you guys engage with one another in conversation and piggyback off of what I state. I encourage that, and it really means a lot for me to see that from your guys' end when you guys give valid information or help other investors with questions. Thank you so much, and I hope that we can continue to learn and grow together, maximize profits, and minimize losses. Let's jump into this chart. So, very bearish run. It broke through the 50-day moving average, and the bulls tried breaking resistance. It only lasted for an hour, hit highs throughout the day of 1717, and just dipped from there back to newer lows. And the 50-day moving average is 1714. The bulls need to break through that to get back into bullish territory. But before getting there, they have a resistance level to break. So let's move this to its new locations, right? And the new support levels. Let's actually zoom out here. Zoom back in. But yes, the support levels moved and the resistance levels slightly moved. So they moved up. So the chart is a lot broader, and there's a lot of volatileness here. Volatility up and down. You could see it. And even before this resistance level, there's another one, and it's actually a little lower than the previous one. It's 1685. If that gets broken through from 642 closing price, 685 gets broken through and turned into a support. This could be on its way to the most significant resistance level, which is 1708. If that can clearly get broken through and turned into a support, this could be on its way to break through the 50-day moving average and hit newer highs and get back into bullish territory. Now, the bears are a lot closer to the support, and this is why I would emphasize, and I can't stress it enough, that 1629 is what the bears want to break through. And if that gets broken through, this is clearly controlled and dominated by the bears, bringing it to newer lows and lower support levels. The reason why this is significant is because it's bringing it back to where it was before the bullish run. And if this gets broken through, the next one is 1605. I'd write that down because that's the lowest point of the bears being able to bring this to a newer low before the bullish run, before this kicked off. And here we are leveling off at 1642. The bears are going to do everything it takes to break through 1629, though. This is the first support level to keep in mind, and then see how it behaves once it crosses it. Even if the bulls reappear here, they need to come in hefty and strong to bring it back up, to break through the 50-day moving average. And before getting there, they have to break through resistance and turn it into support. So the bulls have a lot of work and effort to do, and they need to come in strong and hefty to bring this one back up from breaking through 629, which is the support. We're going to have to see how this reacts. Now, the bears, if they break through it and they're dominating it, they're just pulling it down further away from the 50-day moving average, keeping it in bearish territory, and not allowing the bulls to have a recovery or even have a chance to bring this one back up. So this is going to be very interesting. The bears right now are dominating this. We're going to have to see tomorrow, Monday, if the bulls reappear and come in strong to bring this back up to newer levels, or will the bears continue to tear it down? Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys learned something new, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click on the bell so you don't miss a single video. Share this with your friends and community, and hit the like button to let me know you watched this video. Let's make some money.